How important is farming on your country?
This is very important because Indonesia is an agriculture country where most of the population works as farmers, and it is from agriculture that human needs uh, can be fulfilled.
Oh, that's so. Is farming in your country in a healthy condition?
Not completely healthy, but now a sustainable healthy agriculture program has been carried out to support better agriculture.
And then, what crops are farmed in your country?
Many types of plants are cultivated, ranging from plantation crops, food crops, and horticulture crops, all of which are cultivated in this country because the soil is fertile.
Okay, and then, what livestock is raised on your country?
Livestock that are kept from ruminants such as cows, buffaloes, and others, poultry from chickens, duck, and others, and also small piece of livestock such as rabbit and others.
Do you think farming offers a good quality of life?
Yes, if the farm is managed well so that it produces good profit too.
How different is farming across the world?
Difference depend on the system and technology used because each country has different capabilities in implementing the latest innovation and technologies.
Okay, and then what do you think of farming GM crops?
Okay, genetically modified crops (GM crops) is a technology that involves interesting DNA into the genome of an organism. To produce an GM plant, new DNA is transferred into plant cells. Usually, the cells are then grow in the tissue culture where they develop into plants.
How can subsistence farming become more profitable?
If the subsistence farming can be managed properly, especially to meet personal needs by cultivating the plants needed to fulfill food for themselves and their families, so there is no need to buy food anymore, so that there are no expenses for food and the agricultural system become more profitable.
And then, what do you think of the intensive farming methods used in rich countries?
Mm, I think that's good. Even though the country is rich, they still when the realize their country food independence with intensive agriculture, so they don't depend on other country to fulfill their country food needs.
Okay, and the last, what do you think the farming of crops for biofuels is a good idea?
If it can be a solution to a problem, why not? Because maybe producing plants for biofuel is an effective breakthrough to become a renewable energy source in order to preserve nature more awake. Okay, what are the challenges the farming industry face today?
Okay, in my opinion, the challenge facing agriculture today, especially in my country, is the problem of farmer regeneration, where the majority of farmers today are people of unproductive age. Also, this causes a series of other problems such as adoption of innovation, implementation of new system, and others.
Does farming help or add to global warming?
It depends on the management of farming system. If the management is carried out properly, agriculture will not increase global warming and vice versa. Through agriculture with good management does not rule out the possibility that it can help overcome global warming.
Okay. Would you like to be a farmer?
Yes, I really like because farming is noble job where with the result of the work of farmers, people can live a good life through the food produced by farmers.
Okay. Do you think we could save the world if we all went back to farming?
Not really, because if everyone is farming, other sector cannot run well. So the hope of protecting the world is not going well because other people are needed to fill other sector such as environmental management, research management, and the others.
Okay. Are you interested in farming news?
Yes, I'm very interested because from agricultural news we can find out the latest information related to agriculture so that we are more sensitive to take steps in agricultural production.
Okay. Would you prefer to work in dairy farming or arable farming?
I prefer to work in arable farming because from arable farming I can use a more the available research to harvest crops that are not managed so that they can be used as something usable.
Okay. What do you know about factory farming?
I think factory farming refers to the condition in which animals are raised year-round in huge numbers for the meat industry. On intensive animal farms, people raise pigs, chickens, cows, and other young animals in building on pens known as consecrated animal feeding operation or CAFOs.
Okay. Does farming help preserve the countryside?
Yes, I agree with that because rural areas generally rely on the agricultural sector as their main livelihood because in the village there is still a lot of potential land that can be used as cultivation land. Therefore, agriculture can help preserve the village in terms of income, economy, and the effectiveness of land use.
Do you think government should encourage more organic farming?
Yes, because organic farming is a way to form sustainable agriculture with an agricultural system that is aligned with nature. So that from this, the organic farming for business, sustainability, and also the cultivation environment.
Okay, last question. What do you understand by the term urban farming?
Okay, in my opinion, urban farming is a form of urban farming growing food in urban areas on land, usually in backyards or on vacant lots, but sometimes neglected space such as road medians, which are usually not dedicated to producing foodstuff by growing crops.
Okay, thank you.